Okay, so I decided to start the second work with carburetor, then later on I'll do the dashboard. So I'll remove the air filter assembly and the bolts, 11 bolts here that's holding the carburetor to the intake manifold. So remove the water coolant line or water line to the carburetor. Remove the throttle cable. So what's remaining now is this positive connection. I'll first remove this vacuum advance distributor to the carburetor, and so remove this connection from here and here as well. Okay, so now I can now remove the carburetor. Okay, so alright, so let's look at let me keep it here. I don't want to touch it, keep it on the ground. But this is the box. That's it. So alright, so let's see any sign of leakage from the first gasket. No. No. Then let's look under. No sign of leak. No sign of leak. Okay. So as you can see, so I'll keep this one here because I'm going to use it when I mount the carburetor back. There's something I've always been meaning to check, which I think I didn't do when I mounted the carburetor. Okay, it's actually open. I was thinking to be sure these holes are open, but I think it's kind of too. I may need to readjust it, the tuning, before I put it back. Anyways, so what's going to happen now? There's an adapter. I'm going to first put the gasket. Oh, look at it. So yesterday, Saturday, so I had to go and cut this. I actually got this cable, but I probably may not use it because there's another cable. So I had to go and cut this gasket. Even going to keep extra. So all I need here is just probably 2 gaskets. Oh no, 3. So let's look at this is the carburetor I'm going to use. So this is the rubber boot. These are the old gaskets which I'm not going to use. So I'm going to use this anyway. But I see if I can be able to open this thing more. We'll see. So okay, so this is a single barrel carburetor, which is as you can see the model Soles 34 Bisca 3. That's the model. It works well, nothing wrong with it. Need to scrape this gasket out. So alright, so I'm going to first start to put the gaskets one after the other. Let me show you how it's going to be. So I may have to apply silicone gasket meter on one of the gaskets because this construction, the adapter is not that smooth. So okay, so this is how it's going to be. I'll first put one adapter like this, then this is a little bit rough, but I need to scrape it a little bit before I put the RTV gasket maker. So I'll drop like this. And see, I would like to widen this so that this hole will be able to serve. So I don't have any obstruction. Then this is the adapter. I can see it's not really that smooth. So need another gasket. Put it like this, and I'll drop this. Okay. Then I will this gasket, the smaller one. So that one will now go in like this. Push it into the pan before I now drop the carburetor on top. Okay, so I've been able to clean up this a little. This is smooth now. I'll remove the old gasket out. Was gummed in, both actually were gummed. Though this side has cracked a little. So what's remaining now is to do this, but like I said, my concern is this one is not that smooth. It's not flat. So definitely I'm going to put use this, apply this there, the silicone gasket maker, otherwise definitely will leak even when you put this gasket on top, so it won't seal up properly. I actually have two, but I think I probably will go with this one. There's another one, this one as well. I'm not really that smooth. Not that smooth. Can't say which one is better here. We'll see. We'll see. So I'm going to apply it and then put it and then see what happens. So I've mounted the single barrel carburetor. You can see how I did this. I had to put this one couldn't go down fully. Since it was touching this, I don't know, but so I now had to put more thicker washing so that it doesn't have to go down fully. Did the same thing here. Remember, this thing, part of it was broken. This thick gasket, plastic gasket. So I now had to put two washer, one normal and then the bigger size, so I can be able to get inside properly. Okay, so by the time I'll start the car, I'll now check all these gaskets for vacuum leak to be sure it doesn't leak. Otherwise, the carburetor will not run well. This silicone gasket maker I put, I hope fuel doesn't touch them, because that's one thing. If fuel start touching it, fuel will likely dissolve. The app kind of gone. But we'll see. We'll start the car. So start to put back. This is the this one we have to position it like this. No, I think I'm supposed to turn it the other way around. So I want to remove this clamp, turn it so I can face like this. this can't remember. One is input other is yeah, just for serve the purpose for now. Okay, so next thing now is to change the cable. This cable cannot work. This is for double barrel carburetor, so I have to remove it and put his own cable. This is his own cable. I'm going to put it. However, I bought new cable, but I'm not sure I'll use it now. I just bought it and kept as it should serve as spare. Okay. Alright, so I'm going to swap it in and call it a day. So I've connected everything. I put the throttle cable. Hold on. Alright. So the throttle cable is back. The normal single carburetor cable. But I think what I'll do is, even when I put back the barrel carburetor, I'll find a way to use this cable for it. I know there's some construction I will have to do on the double barrel carburetor this side, so I won't have to be going in and out all the time from under the dashboard to remove the cable. I can always use this one by using the plug and play. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is to start the car. Something I actually forgot. I may need to find what is it called? I don't know. Maybe later on if we should buy kind of pump that can suck in fuel. You know, this is not electric fuel pump. So right now there's no fuel inside this carburetor. So we take some crank to pump in fuel there. What I should have done was to find a way, but then that will now force me to use mouth to suck fuel and then find a way to put it inside. But you will take just a few more, one or two crank before the car can now start. There will be enough fuel in the carburetor to make it start. I've seen 1515 that actually runs with electric fuel pump for the carburetor. But for now, what I might do is I have a spare manual one, right? So but what I might do is, before I'll take this car for journey, I might buy that electric fuel pump. But then for what I gather, it's very small, so that in a journey, if it fails, it might be faster to just run that connection, pour it, and then see what happens. Okay, so let's see. Ooh, there's even small fuel there. Wow. That's a problem. I should have put small fuel in that carburetor. Is this fuel issue now? Okay, let's find out. Let's see what's going on. Let's see where the fuel has started pumping. Let's see. Okay, that's fuel now, so it should be able to start. So why is it not starting? Okay. I know I was using the carburetor before I removed it. And when I removed it, I didn't even bother to didn't do any tuning or anything. So oh funny enough, immediately I went there, the boy was already inside. Okay, so it's running. Last year. Yeah, hold on. So, of course, this one uses manual shift. So, I don't know if this is the right position. It should be, if I didn't remove it. There's a leakage. Okay, water. Forgotten I didn't type it. So, anyway, the water is leaking from here. The water pump is working. But the carburetor is kind of dull. I don't know if I cannot see. If you try to accelerate a little. See what it's doing. Anyway, we'll observe. The water is still pumping out. Let me touch it first. I haven't done bleeding, that's why I'm not bothered. So let's see. Wounded it. Wow. Anyway, what I can say. Probably should have checked this the hand was wounded, but the remote is still okay. Right. So, alright. is later, because there's something else I want to do on the cooling system. If I'm thinking of putting, right now it doesn't have a thermostat, so that's why I'm not bothered breathing the cooling system yet. So later I'll connect that coolant line on the carburetor properly. So let's test the AC and see how it works. Okay, it's on now. No, why didn't come up? Okay. I need to find out why the blower didn't run. Okay, so far so good. I see the compressor is spinning. The fan is spinning. So later I'm going to check the RPM. I have another instrument panel I'm going to use to connect to see how the RPM is. If it's too low, to increase it. You know. So okay, so it's progress so far. So what I need to figure out now, why is the blower stopped working? I don't know why. Because what I did has nothing to do with it. I haven't even touched anything concerning the connection there. But we'll see. Alright.